Hello everyone. Today we're going to explore the Daily Volume Profile Pro indicator. This tool is a specialized volume indicator designed to analyze horizontal volumes, helping identify and distribute daily activity. By using this indicator, traders can gain a clearer perspective on market structure to help pinpoint liquidity and support zones throughout each trading day. And what the volumes were like there. Let's go straight to the chart. It's best to use this indicator in day trading and also in swing trading, well, within, say, a week. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days. And what is being shown here? Based on candlestick analysis, it shows where the largest volumes were, and the largest volumes are marked in orange. How can we use this? For this, we have the replay button. All right, let's go. Right now we have an hourly chart because, as you understand, this is also shown here for day trading. Here the maximum volume is indicated in orange. Here's a little tip so you know how this works. In principle, in all the indicators we have, there are two, like these. Here's a tip about what, where, and how. So let's get started, probably. So probably here it won't be displayed. This is because it won't be. But let's do it this way then. Let's do it like this, like this. As if we already have this kind of history. And here it is immediately displayed for us. These are the specific types of trading volumes we have right here. In this area we have volumes, and over here we have more volumes, and right here yet more volumes. And as we have previously discussed in detail, each of these large significant volumes represents a major zone of high liquidity for this particular instrument. For example, we can see, as you can see here, right now we have this right here. As we can see, when the day has already started, first of all, we collected this particular day. We're taking the latest one. We immediately went after this one. This liquidity, we reached this liquidity that was here, and this liquidity here. So we move from liquidity to liquidity. I won't get tired of saying this. That is exactly how it happened. Once we had successfully identified and collected the price data from these three specific previous trading days, looking closely at this particular daily candle, then this one right here, followed by this one, and even including this one and this final one, we immediately shifted our focus to go after the next major pool of liquidity, which is clearly located right here in this specific zone on the chart, and we came for it. By the way, here it's shown a bit better. Here is already the next day. Let me remove these drawings of mine. That was just an example. And here we'll take a look at what's actually happening. So we have successfully established here somehow. To be honest, it is not shown particularly clearly or effectively when you are running a backtest. Actually, I find that I prefer these specific ones much better. So let's do it without this backtest then. Let's see what's happening right now. And what is happening is this. This is the picture we have here. So this is May, right? We have the largest volumes right here. Here we had these volumes. And as soon as the day started, we immediately went after them. We also have simply focusing on these specific trading volumes. and we actively pursued and targeted these volumes as well. And now there is a very strong and distinct possibility that we will most likely go after these particular levels that we see right here. Although if you notice, right here we also reached these volumes and we're moving between these largest volumes. So if you look at it, after we most likely reach this level, we'll go roughly over here. So this here can already be considered a pretty good swing, some kind of trade. With the target right here, in principle, this tool works well when combined with other tools. I'll put it this way. That is, you definitely need to use horizontal volumes. Then volume profile and all that, because that's how it works right now. And this is logical because that's where large volumes are concentrated. That's where a large number of trades are concentrated. And you can see it on the chart. If you just look at it like this, you won't see it. If you just look at candles or use some other tools, you simply won't notice it. So you definitely need to understand these largest volumes, especially intraday. Because the next day, there will be a hunt for this price level. Basically, I think I quickly explained what this is for and how to use it. Try it out, test it. This is something you absolutely need to do before moving on to real trading. Thank you all and goodbye.